Can blind people dream?
Not just blind people, even zombies can dream.
Oh, AumSum. If a blind person lost his vision in the later stage of his life, then his brain would use visual information stored in his memories to create dreams. Now, if a blind person is blind since birth, then his brain has never received any visual information. So instead, his dreams would get their content from memories of sound, smell, touch, etc., which he perceives in his everyday life. But in one science experiment, people who were blind since birth were able to draw their dreams. Why do our hands shake?
Simple, because we love to shake them.
Oh, AumSum. When our hands shake, we are said to be experiencing hand tremors. Some problem with those areas of the brain which control movement leads to tremors. We may experience hand tremors if we consume too much caffeine. We are suffering from lack of sleep or anxiety. We are suffering from a neurological disease such as Parkinson's. Why do humans love music?
Simple, because AumSum makes great music.
Oh, AumSum. When sound vibrations are produced in specific and intricate patterns, it is known as music. Some researchers found out that we love music because of a neurotransmitter called dopamine. For example, when we eat tasty food, the reward system in our brain is activated and dopamine is released. Dopamine basically makes us feel good. Similarly, when we listen to music, the same dopamine is released, thus making us love listening to music. Does an octopus have 9 brains?
Nah, only AumSum has 9 brains.
Oh, AumSum. An octopus has a decentralized nervous system, with majority of its neurons residing in its arms. These neurons help the arms to independently taste, touch, and control basic motions without consulting the actual brain in its head. Thus, it gives an impression of having 9 brains, when in reality, it only has 1. Why are we afraid of the dark?
AumSum is not afraid of anyone.
Oh, AumSum! In prehistoric times, especially at night, our ancestors were at high risk of being attacked by predators or enemies. Hence, through evolution, the tendency to fear darkness developed in us. Also, as we cannot see properly in the dark, we become anxious and start to imagine the worst possible outcomes. Hence, we are afraid of the dark. What are headaches?
AumSum doesn't get headaches. There is no brain inside AumSum's head.
Oh, AumSum. The pain that we sometimes experience in our upper neck or head is commonly called a headache. Headache is not an indication of our brain hurting. In fact, the brain does not have any pain receptors to experience pain. Headaches are commonly caused due to inflammation or overactivity of muscles, nerves, and blood vessels in our head or neck. Migraine is a common example of this type of headache. Why do we have moles?
Simple, because AumSum likes them.
Oh, AumSum. Our skin has cells called melanocytes. They give our skin its color. However, sometimes these cells tend to grow in clusters, thus forming moles. Moles can be present at birth or can appear later in life. They are usually black or brown and can be flat or raised. Some moles may even disappear with age.